Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup on my new 6-foot artificial Christmas tree. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. So as you can see, the tree is super easy to put together. The 3 hinge sections are clearly labeled A, B, and C, so it's really just a matter of stacking them, spreading out the branches, and connecting the lights. Here's how the tree looks when it's all set up. Setting at 6 feet tall, it's a perfect size for most rooms, whether you're in the living room, office, or even a holiday party. It has 400 RGB lights that are already built into the tree, so you don't have to mess with strings or lights. It's ready to go right out of the box. The lights really make the tree stand out. They're bright, colorful, and even spaced out, giving the whole tree a polished, festive look. Plus, the mix of PVC and PE branches makes the tree look full, natural, giving plenty of room to hang your ornaments. Alright, let's take a closer look at the lights. The RGB lights are high quality and give off vibrant, rich colors. What's great about the lights is they offer 89 different modes for steady single colors to twinkling multicolored patterns. Down at the bottom by the plug, there's also a convenient button that lets you cycle through some of the lighting modes without having to grab the remote, which is a nice touch if you are nearby. The whole setup is simple and user-friendly, so you can customize the look of your tree in seconds. So whether you're going for a classic look or something more vibrant and modern, this tree has you covered. Now let me show you how the tree looks with all the room lights turned off. This is where it really shines. The color pops even more in the dark, and the lighting effects add such a cozy, magical vibe to the space. Whether you want a steady, warm glow or a playful, twinkling pattern, this tree can do it all. Alright, so that's what the Christmas tree actually looks like once it is installed. I do want to mention it also comes with this remote, which is actually pretty cool. So if you just want to have them like all red, you can switch it to that. If you want to have it like multicolor like this, you can do that. You can change the mode on them. There's so many cool options on this remote. Set it there, green and red. So if you guys are looking for a new Christmas tree, all the lights already came pre-installed. It's only 3 pieces, very simple to install. Definitely look into this Christmas tree. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.